This is a Bugatti Chiron, one of the fastest and most expensive cars ever made. And today, it's completely broken. Look at this damage. Scratches, dirt, neglected parts. Careful. Alright, let's start slow. First, deep cleaning. Oh wow, look at the dirt coming off. This car hasn't been treated with respect. Careful. This bolt is stuck. Careful, careful. Oh no. Okay, that was close. This is not just a car, this is engineering art. Every part matters here. Carbon fiber, precision, perfection. Even cleaning this feels stressful. Wait. Look at that shine. That's a Bugatti again. This panel alone costs more than my entire car. This hurts just touching it. Most people will never even see a Chiron in real life. And here I am trying to restore one. Honestly, I'm nervous. One mistake and this gets very expensive. This makes it worth it. From dirty to deadly clean. Same Chiron, different presence. Bugatti Chiron. You don't just restore a car like this, you earn its respect. If you enjoy real restorations, no shortcuts, no fake perfection, subscribe and stay with me.